Tesh, karibu sana.
His Excellency, the President of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, captains of industry, and all distinguished guests, I'm humbled very much today to stand before you. As you can see, I embody the real hustler, and I'm glad to represent the 7.4 million MSMEs in this country who create jobs for over 15 million Kenyans. So we at MarketForce enable these MSMEs to access products affordably, and we link them up directly with manufacturers. I am representing the youth and the technology sector because it is a huge enabler for various industries in this country to be able to grow. So today what we do is we have over 125,000 dukas across the country that we are supplying these goods to on a daily basis. And we've been able to expand this operation to Uganda, Tanzania, and Rwanda as well, where we have multiple dukas ordering, and we're currently working with Kenyan manufacturers and enabling them to be able to export their products into this market and not worry about how they distribute in this market as well. So we're expanding the market share for Kenyan manufacturers by doing that, and also supporting the small manufacturers in the country be able to extend their trade. So one thing I'd like to say is that we're very non-discriminatory when we come to working with dukas and mama mbogas. So we're very excited about the Hustler Fund and all the initiatives that the government is currently working on to spur innovation in this sector as we work with fintechs and other banks to ensure that credit is affordable for these dukas that we work with. In the process, as mentioned earlier, I won't belabor the point, but there's a lot of jobs that are created through the manufacturing sector. We employ 426 people directly today who support us in this distribution in the country. And we're very excited also by the administration that is coming in. There's a lot of energy. We're working closely, hopefully, with the new CS for trade, as well as the Kenya Association of Manufacturers CEO, as we look at how do we continue to support manufacturers to extend the distribution network. So quickly, I'll talk about the technology sector where we play, because this is very important. The last 6 months in Kenya, the first 6 months of the year, over $1 billion has been invested in over 76 Kenyan technology startups. And this is a very good direction for us. What I'd like to ask is if the government can consider setting up a sovereign fund or something that can ensure as foreign investments are coming into the country, Kenyans are also investing in these companies, so that when the next M-Pesa, the next Amazon, the next Google, we have money coming back to Kenyans' pockets, not all the money being exported to the foreign investors who invested in us and many other companies in the space. So lastly, just to say thank you very much for this opportunity and this stage to present what we're doing at MarketForce, and I hope that we'll continue to have more public-private partnerships that will continue to spur the country forward. We're excited and we're happy to have you, Mr. Excellency, in the next 5 years. Thank you very much.